In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
We only have
Okay, kids, now is the time. Everybody quiet, please, so that you can hear me. Kids, I'm going to give some instructions. So this is letter Kaaf. Now the Kaaf can hide as a whole, or the Kaaf can hide as the, I call it birdie of the Kaaf. It's like a bird. How is it like a bird? It does not look like a bird, but like this. Everybody look here. Everybody quiet, and everybody look here. The Kaaf can send its birdie and to go and hide. So this is the birdie of the Kaaf, and it's going to go hide. Okay, let's go. Where is it? Where is it? Hey, that's it. Everybody look here. That's the birdie of the Kaaf hiding. That's a letter.
Because it has a curve, but it's not supposed to do a curve, but I can also have it as a curve.
Yes. Okay, so sometimes it can be a little curved also, okay? Okay, let's go see another Kaaf. Okay, everybody, when this goes on a Kaaf, you have to say Kaaf, okay? Okay, get ready, everybody. When it sits on the Kaaf, you have to say Kaaf, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Kaaf.
Kaaf. Good job. Let's go again. Let me find another Kaaf. Okay, now guess what? Now, come on, Isa, we want to find the Kaaf, okay? Remember, the Kaaf can come as a whole body of the Kaaf or a birdie of the Kaaf. Get ready. Yeah, Isa, only Isa. Isa, when the Kaaf comes, you say Kaaf, okay? What's this, Isa?
Kaaf.
Good job. Isa, there might be another Kaaf. Be ready. Be ready. It might trick you. It might be a whole Kaaf.
I can see you. Kaaf.
Good job.
Was it hiding?
Yeah, it's not hiding, okay? So that's also a big thing. Sometimes you're just trying to look for the birdie and then you find a whole big Kaaf. That's also something. Okay.
Now, I didn't want to hide.
Yeah, I didn't want to hide there. Okay, so now we know.
That's why that turkey on the cage.
Yeah, so that's the Kaaf hiding. I want to see if there's any other Kaaf. Okay, is there any other Kaaf?
I see a Kaaf.
You see a Kaaf, but I see this Kaaf and I see, oh no, I see another Kaaf. Rayan, help. Help, Rayan. Where's the Kaaf in this line?
Kaaf.
Yeah,
It was hiding again.
yeah, so now I'm going to put the spotlight on the Kaaf. That's a Kaaf. That's
There's 3 Kaaf. That's 3 Kaaf.
Yes, it has 3. And it almost tricked me. I almost said there are only 2 Kaaf, but no, there were 3 Kaaf.
Yeah, because one was right there.
Yeah.
Right.
MashaAllah, that's right.